Hi! So I'm vlogging this moment with my iPod. It's actually starting to rain right now, and just a few weeks ago, I think already, I bought this transparent umbrella, and I think a little bit too much excited about this, so to use it for the first time, because I don't know, it's an umbrella. Who doesn't have an umbrella? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to go out, and I think it already started raining a lot, and it's also thunderstorming, and also I'm going to get groceries. Those are like cool things, aren't they? So yeah, let's go. So I'm home, and I got really wet. Up to my knees I was completely soaked because the rain was so strong that it kind of came back to me. And also there was wind because thunderstorm. But I thought it was quite fun. It was really warm. It still is really warm. So it's actually quite nice. And I did the grocery shopping, and yeah, now I'm full. I ate already what I bought. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.